Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to design this, and if you are a beginner you can watch this video also because I will tell you everything step by step so you can do this thing easily. So without any further, let's jump into it. So here we are in Photoshop and we will create this banner. So first of all, go to file and click on this new. Now give here the name, then select pixels and width 1080, height 1080, resolution 300 and click on this create button. So you can use your own size, but if for example I will take this size. Now first of all we will put here our images, and as I have told, you can download my all the images, link in the description below. It's all free. Then hit enter. Now go to magic wand tool, any selection tool, and make sure you have this option select subject. Click on this. Then we have a selection for our subject, so press Ctrl J, click on this layer and then press Ctrl J. Now if you hide your layer, so you will see the background is removed. Then select both the images and put it here. Now we need to create a shape, so just click on this pen tool and click on this shape, stroke, and then open fill by any color. We will change color later. Now click here and then click and drag your mouse. Now hold Alt key, then click on this anchor point, then click. Nice. Select move tool, double click on this thumbnail and choose any color here. So basically we will use a gradient, so as you can see here, so I will select the gradient because I have already given the time here to select this color. So here is my shape and this gradient, and then I just need to copy this and select this shape, press Ctrl T and right click, flip horizontal, and then press A to change this curve, then right click and paste layer style. So I will show you the color. So this is my color code. First color is this and second one is this one. Hit OK. Now if you decrease the scale, so you will see the line here, difference between the colors. So I will need little bit like this and then increase the scale. Yeah, perfect. Hit OK. Then increase the stroke here. Then if you have this stroke like this dotted, so just click on this line and choose this one. Then stroke color should be white. Perfect. Nice. Now select both the images, press Ctrl T and enlarge it like this. Yeah. Like this. So we will work on hair later, so it's not looking good, so we will work on it later. Then we will put here our product. Fine. Go to selection tool and click on the select subject. So you can select your subject manually by pen tool. There is a lot of video on YouTube, so just make sure. Press Ctrl J, then delete your older layer, then come to move tool, select your image, press Ctrl T and small it. Then we need a shadow here for this product, so just create a new layer, press B on your keyboard to select brush tool. Then you can see here this is a black color, then hardness should be 0 and one click. Press Ctrl T and resize it like this and put it here. Right click on this image thumbnail and click on this select pixels. Now go to select, click on this modify and contract. Now give here 1, hit OK. Then again press Ctrl J, then delete all the layer. Now select your shadow, press Ctrl T Then duplicate your shadow, so press Ctrl J, then press Ctrl T and move it here. Now decrease opacity here. Fine. Then we need a little steam here like this. Then go to mode, choose normal to screen. Perfect. Press Ctrl T and small it. Press Ctrl T, right click and click on this flip horizontal. Press Ctrl J, Ctrl T and put it here and little bit like this. Press Ctrl J again, Ctrl T and put it here. Yeah, fine. Then we need to work on hair. So guys, I have removed that PNG images, which is this product image, girl and woman. So I have removed that image, and for example I will put here this image and just match it here for the hair and hit OK. Now put this image above the shape. Yeah, that's look fine. Press Ctrl T and move it here like this. Perfect. And press Ctrl T. We need little bit here like this. Yeah, perfect. And we need to match here, so select mask, press B and remove it from here. Hardness should be 0. Now here we can see the difference between the hair, so we will need to fix it. Just click on this layer, go to this icon and choose black and white, and don't forget to click on this icon. So just click on this. Yeah, perfect. So you will see this arrow like this if you click on this. Now same effect we need to give on this image, so just go to here and click on this black and white. Now our images, the whole images is black and white, so we need a colorful image now for now. So just click on this mask and press Ctrl delete. So make sure your mask is black here for this image, right? So how we can black this mask? So just you have to press Ctrl delete after the mask. Okay, and now what we need to do, just click on this mask, black color mask, press B and just brush it on hair like this, only hair. Like this. Perfect. Now we don't need to now little bit here, press B and like this. Yeah, perfect. Now it's looking nice. Okay, now merge this layer, press Ctrl E. So we have merged it, and then this one also press Ctrl E. So this is our hair and this is our image. Okay, now we need to decrease a little brightness for this image, so just go to here and click on this brightness on contrast and just little bit down. Make sure this steam is looking much as you can see here, so just decrease a little bit. Yeah, perfect. Now just select these steam, press Ctrl T and down. Yeah, perfect. Now we need a text here, so just like this. So we need a little space here for text. Perfect. Now come to images and click on this put it here. Go to effects and click on this outer glow. Choose here white color, hit OK, and the size should be little here like this. Yeah, perfect. And then these text should be there. So just I will write. Now select all the text and click on this icon and click on this T underline. So you will get a line here like this, and if you give some space here, so you will get extra line. Yeah, that's fine. Now put it here, and we need another text, so just write here one, and yeah, and make it extra bold just like this. Move it here, press Ctrl T, Alright, we are done with our text. Then come to your product image, then select this, press Ctrl T and little bit down and put it here, then select all the text and put it here. Then come to this image, so go to edit and click on this puppet orb and click on this, click and move it like this. Yeah, perfect. Little bit more we need here. Yeah, that's fine, almost done. And we can put it little bit down. Yeah, perfect. And click on this gradient overlay and make it like this, little bit brightness. Come to this image, click on this adjustment icon and decrease some brightness. Yeah, that's fine. Then click on this Vicks logo and put it here, press Ctrl T and little bit like this, so we can see a little brightness, color difference. So just click on this layer and delete this. Now select again, right click, fill, content aware, hit OK, press Ctrl D. Yeah, select these content and press Ctrl T, enlarge it like this and put it here. And we need to shift here a little bit again, so just like this. Yeah, then type here little text, little down. Yeah, almost fine. So here we need a shadow for this stroke, white color stroke. So just press Ctrl G again and press A and disable the fill, and then delete the gradient. So right click and click on this clear layer style, and we can see here our stroke. So now select move tool and go to effects and click on this drop shadow and decrease size. Yeah, hit OK. So here we can see its shadow. So I hope you have enjoyed the video. Oh sorry, we need to save this image. So go to file and click on this save a copy. So first of all you need to save this as PSD format, so you can open this exactly file anytime. And if you need to save this as an image, so go to click on this PSD and click on this JPEG or PNG. So these two formats basically we need. So a little bit text. So I will save only PNG here for example and save it on downloads. Click on this save and make it OK. So let's see our image. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe this channel for more videos like this. And if you want to watch more videos, I have uploaded too many videos. Watch out my playlist. So I will meet you in the next video.